Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the Crush Watermelon Soda. Found this at a Freak lunchbox in Halifax, Nova Scotia, here for a little birthday trip, and I thought this was really cool and I wanted to do a little review on it because watermelon is an amazing flavor. I want to see how Crush did with their version of a watermelon drink. Contains no juice and caffeine free, and for one of these cans there's 170 calories, 0 grams of fat, 45 carbohydrate with 45 this being sugar, and it's all added sugar. It's a lot of sugar in it, but that's all right. And 0 grams of protein. So it's carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, citric acid, sodium benzoate, natural and artificial flavors, and red coloring. Pretty cool. Never seen a watermelon crush before, didn't even know it existed, so let's get into it. Ooh, it's pink. Oh, it's got a really strong smell of watermelon too. Exciting. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's reminds me kind of like of a Jolly Rancher watermelon without all that extra sourness. It's actually pretty sweet for a watermelon flavor. I find usually that watermelon flavors are a bit more like sour, acidic-y tasting, but no, this one is very sweet. Tastes like a really nice watermelon. It also reminds me of something else. I just can't think of it, but it's an artificial watermelon flavor because watermelons don't actually taste like what most watermelon flavored things taste like. So pretty cool. Give it a couple more sips here. Wow, yeah, definitely think that tastes like the watermelon Jolly Ranchers. There's something else though about it. I'm not 100% sure what this reminds me of, but really good watermelon flavor. I'll give it one more sip and I'll give my final review. Cool little pink colored juice too. Reminds me of something else. I just can't think of what it is, but it does remind me of the Jolly Ranchers watermelon. It tastes a lot like that. Not as sour, maybe a little bit more sweet, but it's really good. I would give the Crush watermelon flavored watermelon soda an 8 to an 8.5. This was unique. You don't see often very many carbonated watermelon drinks, so really cool that Crush did it, and they crushed it out of the park. They made it a good tasting watermelon soda. Very impressed. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.